So today we're going to do something a little different for math. We will be doing graphing, but first we have to collect the data. And so our objective for today is that the students will create 3 graphs of everyone's number of sit-ups, push-ups, and jumping jacks. Then the students will answer the questions written on the board with 100% accuracy. And then another objective for today is that after completing the lesson, the students will reflect on their own exercise results and then come up with their own goal to reach at the end of the month. Can anybody tell me what a graph is? Yes, Michael?
Something that you put data on?
Yeah, great. Can someone tell me what data is? Yes, Mallory?
It's collected information.
Good job. Alrighty, so now we have to collect that data. And so for our first thing, we have to move our desk out of the way and we're going to work out right here. Okay? And so we're going to do 3 different types of exercises. Like I had said in our objective, we will be doing jumping jacks, sit-ups, and push-ups, right? Okay, so we're going to be doing those for 3 minutes each. And we're going to be listening to Happy while you guys do it. And at the end of our song, you will be writing down your results and how many of each activity you did, so that we can fill it in our graph later on. Alrighty? So let's head on over to here, and our first thing will be jumping jack. Jumping jack is to go pencil, out, and back to pencil. That makes 1 jumping jack. You guys will be doing 1 minute of jumping jacks and mentally counting how many you're doing for that minute, okay? On your mark, get set, go. Keep going, it's okay, keep going. Alright, thank you. Did you guys count how many you were doing?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Now on your piece of paper, write down your number. For our second exercise, we will be doing a minute of sit-ups. Do you know how to properly do a sit-up?
See, yes.
Can you demonstrate for the class?
Not really.
I can.
Okay, go ahead, Michael.
Will someone hold down my ankles? I need to hold down my
That's modified. You can do a modified crunch. Crunch. Alright, so for a minute you'll be doing crunches or sit-ups, whichever you're able to do, for 30 seconds this time. 30 seconds? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stop. Alrighty, on your piece of paper, write down your results. Okay, for our last exercise, we're going to be doing push-ups. The proper way to do a push-up is to feet out and up. But if you can't do that, the modified version is having your knees crossed like this and going up and down. You'll be doing this for a minute.
What was wrong, Mom?
Again, you'll be counting how many you're doing. Good job, Megan. You deserve a lollipop.
What?
Yes, deserve a lollipop.
Oh my gosh, it's no fair. She has those. Marissa, what's on the computer? Marissa's on the computer. Oh.
Fine. And stop.
20.
Go write down your results.
Mr. Rose, this is too much. I got 20 billion. I did so much.
Sit down. Sit back down in your seats. We're done now. Alrighty, kids. Can anybody tell me what a picture graph is? Yes, Michael?
The graph that uses pictures.
Right. What do you think we're going to use for jumping jacks? What kind of picture should we use? Yes, Mallory?
A stick figure person doing jumping.
Alrighty. Megan, what was your results of jumping jacks? 40. 40. Mallory, what was yours?
45.
Michael, what was yours? Okay. So because they're all multiples of 5, what should our jumping jack equal? How many should one jumping jack equal if we put a jumping jack figure? Yes, Michael?
10.
5.
Because
Twice. It's multiples of 5.
No, but
Yes, Mallory?
5.
Yes. So one jumping jack, we'll put a little key right here. One little jumping jack is going to equal 5 jumping jacks.
The reason why I said 10 was because you had a whole thing that all these 10, so then you just do 5 across and then like half of it.
Okay. Megan, you did 40, right?
Yes.
Alright, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Mallory, you did 45, correct?
Uh-huh.
So let's do you. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And Michael, how many did you do again?
15.
Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let me know, give me a thumbs up when you guys have written that out. Now let's create a bar graph with our sit-ups. What does a bar graph look like, Megan?
Has a lot of bars.
Yeah. Good context clues. Mallory, you had your hand raised?
It uses lines that go up.
Lines or bars?
Lines.
That's what makes it different than a line graph. So for our bar graph for sit-ups, we're going to start with a line at the bottom of our page. And we're going to have a line on the top, or on the side. Mallory, I think you know what these axles are. What are they called? What's this one called?
It's the y-axis.
Axis. And what's this one called?
The x-axis.
First, you're going to number the sides 0 to 20. Megan, how many sit-ups did you do?
15.
So we're going to mark where it says 15, so right there. And we're gonna make like a bar, so we're gonna go down on both sides. And then I put crayons on your table, so you can color it in any way you want. I'm just gonna do lines. Mallory, how many did you do? So we're gonna go over to 6. We're gonna make it the line again. Make a little bar, and then you're gonna color it in a different color if you want. And Michael, how many did you do?
20.
So we're gonna go up to the top and we're gonna do another bar. And color it in. What was our last exercise we did? Megan?
Push-ups.
Alright, so since I already showed you the 2 different graphs, you guys can tell me which graph you guys want to do. Yes, Michael? You want to do another bar graph? So just create a different graph on your paper. I'm just going to erase this. How many push-ups did you do, Megan?
20.
Okay, we're going to go up to 20. We're going to make our bar. Mallory, how much did you do, Mallory?
4.
We're going to go down to 4 and create our bar. Color it in. And Michael, how many sit-ups did you
20.
do? Is it push-ups?
Push-ups.
How many push-ups did you do, Michael?
20.
Okay, so we're going to go up to 20 again. Mallory was 4. Alrighty. So, today we learned about 2 different graphs. We learned about a bar graph and a picture graph. The difference between a bar graph and a picture graph is that a picture graph uses pictures to represent the data collected, and a bar graph uses bars like this to represent the data collected. So now, why do you think I chose to make our data collection about exercise? Michael? One thing. Megan?
So that we had a life experience collecting the data.
Yeah. Putting into a real example. Mallory, why do you think I chose exercise? To get you to exercise. Why is exercise so important? Yes, Michael?
It keeps our body fit, which means we stay healthy and we don't grow fat like me.
Yes, exercise does keep you healthy, and it helps your immune system, it helps just your overall health, and it makes you feel good. Once you exercise, yeah, it might not feel good when you're in the process of it, but afterwards you feel so much better, and it just helps with your immune system, it helps with your metabolism, it just helps you stay fit and be able to tackle anything that life throws at you. And so I want you guys to reflect on your own results, and I have a little goal worksheet here that I want you to fill out. And so what this exercise goal is, it says like right now I can do blank amount of jumping jacks, but at the end of the month I want to do blank. And so every Friday we're going to be practicing our exercises, and so at the end of the month we're going to compare our results and see if we met our goal. So make the goal challenging but realistic. I have an exit ticket for you to finish this lesson, and this will be turned in. So write your names at the top corner. Question 1 and 2 are written on the board for you to fill out, or for you to complete. So take time to do that. Does anybody have any questions about today? Does anybody have any questions about today? Yes, Michael? Are you fit? If you think you are. Thank you, class, for participating today.